Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to use the sumDistinct function available to us in PySpark. And what it does is basically calculate the sum of all distinct values or unique values in a column of numeric data in a PySpark data frame. So let's dive into the demo. As you can see, I've got my Databricks Community Edition set up, and I'll link to a video of mine in the top right hand corner of your screen that shows you how to set this up for yourselves so that you guys can get access to PySpark for free. So let's dive into the demo. What I've done so far is basically just read the CSV into data frame, display the data frame for you guys to see. And as you know, CSV files, when read into a data frame, all ingested with sort of string data type. So I'm just converting the salary column into an integer, back into an integer data type, so that we can perform numeric functions on it. So once that's done, just checking the print schema, and you can see salary has become an integer data type column. Once that's done, I'm importing the sumDistinct function available to us in PySpark from PySpark.sql.functions. You need to do that for it to work. And then to execute the function, what we need to do is we can either do a with column if we want to create a new column filled with just these values, which is the sum of all distinct elements in a particular column. Or if you want to just get the sum, we can query the data frame using the dot select. So what we're doing here is df dot select, and then it should be df1 dot select, and then what we can do is inside the brackets just call the sumDistinct functions, and then inside the parameters of the sumDistinct function specify which column you want the sumDistinct function to operate on, and then do a dot display. So once that function's run, you can see that we get the sum of all distinct or unique numbers in this salary column. So that's how we use the sumDistinct function. Just to let you guys know, there was an older version of the sumDistinct function which was written like sum distinct, like without a space and with a capital D, but that is being deprecated. It should still work for a while longer, but it is being deprecated, so just keep that in mind. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.